Questo è il nuovo camper della Fiat. Il nuovo camper van, il minivan.
Since yesterday, Prato Nevoso has been hit by a severe snowstorm that has transformed the ski area's landscape. Record-breaking snowfall has blanketed the Italian ski resort of Prato Nevoso ahead of the holidays. The snowfall has now exceeded 1 meter, highlighting the intense winter weather in the Cuneo region. Images documenting the situation come from the Prato Nevoso Snow Academy ski school. Prato Nevoso, a ski resort in the Italian province of Cuneo, has recorded record snowfall in recent days, with around 1.5 meters falling in just 24 hours, according to Italian media. Reports say the total snowfall at the resort has now reached around 3 meters, the highest in Europe this season. Snow removal operations are ongoing around the clock as the heavy snowfall continues, while skiers are enjoying excellent conditions ahead of the holiday period. Heavy snowfall began Monday morning in Limone, Piedmont, where it has been falling heavily since early morning. Images and live updates from the town show the rapid whitening of roads, rooftops, and forests, with fully wintry conditions across the area. According to forecasts, snowfall will continue at a steady pace throughout the event, alternating between very heavy periods and short breaks. The overall expected accumulation is almost astronomical. By the end of the event, expected on Saturday, more than 150 centimeters of new snow could fall, especially at mid to high altitudes. This situation has already had a severe impact on local traffic, with snow removal vehicles operating and caution advised for those traveling in the area. However, this inclement weather is very positive news for the tourism and ski industries, with ideal conditions expected on the slopes. Limone Piedmont is back to deliver a large-scale winter episode, with a transformed landscape and a weekend that promises to be completely snowy. Amidst the discomfort and fairy tale-like scenery, Christmas suddenly feels perfect again. At least in the Piedmontese ski resorts, which have faced a snow-free holiday for several years. But this year, in Prato Nevoso in the Mondolé area, which has experienced heavy rainfall this year, the roads require extra vigilance. Amidst the desolate landscape, more than 1 meter of new snow has fallen in Prato Nevoso, with accumulations of up to 140 centimeters on the ground. Sestria, Prato Nevoso, Limone. This year's Christmas gift is snow, fairy tale views and some travel disruptions. The tender tunnel is closed for safety reasons. Train delays. The snow continues to fall, and according to Ray Meteo, further snowfall is expected, even in the mountains around Turin. Meanwhile, in Sestria, snow removal vehicles are operating to keep traffic flowing and ensure a perfect Christmas atmosphere for those celebrating in the mountains. However, the snow also brings traffic problems. The weather forecast indicates that snowfall will continue steadily over the next few days, with the possibility of new snowfalls that will further increase snow accumulations at mid and high altitudes. This is an encouraging prospect for tourism operators and winter sports enthusiasts, ready to take advantage of the ideal conditions on the slopes. But caution is still advised for those traveling by car. Even in Limone, Piedmont, in the Vermenagna Valley, the accumulation of snow on the ski slopes was offset by the closure of the tent tunnel, which this year, after extensive construction, reconnected the valley with Liguria and the French Riviera. The temporary closure was imposed due to the risk of avalanches on the French side leading to the Roer Valley. The Cuneo-Limone railway line was also affected. Prato Nevoso woke up under a thick blanket of white. In the past few hours, snow had accumulated to over a meter, transforming the resort into a true winter wonderland. Heavy and persistent rain has hit the entire region, creating spectacular scenery but also requiring attention to traffic and safety. In addition to reduced service due to the yellow warning in the high snow plan for today and tomorrow, the line was also disrupted this morning at 6:20 am due to a tree branch falling on a power line. Traffic returned to normal at 9:30 am. Meanwhile, snow reached the plains of Mondolé and Cuneo overnight.